Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 073848 1382. Today we have a 2007 T30 Nissan X-Trail ST. This vehicle sustained damage to the left-hand front. This shape ran from the 10th month 2001 to the 9th month 2007. This vehicle is fitted with a QR25DE 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an all-wheel drive 4-speed automatic transmission. We have the bonnet, has a tidy front bumper and radiator grille. Left-hand front door, left-hand rear door. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mag wheels. Left rear has a good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Has a tidy rear bumper cover. Tidy right-hand tail light. Factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel, right front. Rear has a good tyre. Right rear door, right front door. We have the right hand power door mirror, factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel, right front has a good tyre, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, we have the driver's door power master switch, power windows. This vehicle is fitted with a factory grey cloth interior. Factory single stack CD player. Automatic transmission instrument cluster. Has a tidy center console lid. Tidy automatic transmission center console, gear handbrake lever, tidy gear lever, factory AC controls, sun visor, tidy right hand sun visor, has a tidy black leather steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.